In this video, we will be introducing a new feature of Trado, that is Auto SL Trailing in individual legs. Now let's log in with your broker credentials and let's first visit broker terminal also. There we will learn about this feature and we will also see how we can trail our SL. See, what this feature do is, like suppose if you want to take position at 50, okay, and your predefined SL is at 40, 10 points down, and your predefined target 10 point up, that is 60, okay, and suppose you set your trailing points of 1 point, okay, then what this feature will do is, whenever this live LTP goes above 50, like if it goes to 51, then this SL will come automatically at 41. For each individual legs, it will do the same. If you set in each individual leg, it will trail your individual legs accordingly. And you can set different trailing points in different legs. And this MTM SL trailing is different. If you set this MTM SL and MTM SL trailing, it will exit your all position. But in predefined SL trailing, it will only trail your individual legs. Now we will have a live demonstration of this feature. Now we are all set. We will take some positions and we will verify it from here. And we will set some trailing SL points also. See, here you will see your trailing SL points. Whatever trailing SL points you will set, it will come here. Suppose if I am buying this position, I will take 2-3 positions. Suppose if I am buying this position at 21 rupees or 20 rupees, whatever it's going on, I will simply buy. Okay, I will simply buy. See, my SL is at 13 rupees and my target is at 33. If I edit this and I turn on this trailing point with 1, see, whenever this prices goes up, my SL will trail automatically. See, my SL is getting trail at 15. Okay, if I take some more positions in different legs, like say if I take position here and I want to trail my SL, then what I will do, I will put here 1 point and update this. See, my SL will start getting trailed. If this profit goes up, then my SL will start getting up. See, and if I want to trail manually, I can trail manually also from here. Like I can trail like this. Okay, I can trail my target also. If I want to reduce it, I can reduce it to downside, or I can trail my this SL also. See, my position getting exited. See, my one position got exited and my other position is getting trailed. I can trail, see, it's getting trailed till 88. See how fastly this position got trailed. Suppose if I want to trail this position manually from broker, then that can't be possible. Means you can't trail it that much fast. That's why we have given this option also to trail your position automatically. Suppose if I take one more position like 5 points target NSL, okay, simply I will buy. Check this, I buy this position and I will to trail my, okay, it's very fast, so my SL got hit. If I want to take position, like I will take position at 71, I will try to edit these positions. I will add this 1 point and update it. See, my SL getting trailed to 73, 7, it got exited. Like this you can trail your positions and you can save yourself from getting big losses. From broker terminal, this type of trailing can't be possible, so we have given this advanced features. Now you can manage your risk, and in future many more features will be coming and other brokers will be also coming, and we are working on it. For now, thank you.